Hello everyone, my name is Jiun Lee. Today, we will talk about MRI classification of articular cartilage lesions. Currently, the most widely accepted MRI classification system is an adaptation of the arthroscopic classification developed by a working group of the International Cartilage Repair Society, or ICRS. Let's look at the two cases I'm showing you. In the left case, we can see a more than 50% cartilage defect on the medial femoral condyle, which corresponds to ICRS Grade 3. The case on the right is a bit different. Here, we not only have a full-thickness chondral lesion but also see a subchondral marrow edema-like signal or cystic changes. This classifies as ICRS Grade 4. Now, here's an important point to note. Sometimes, the cartilage lesion itself might not clearly extend to the subchondral bone. However, if we see subchondral cysts or bone marrow edema, this can suggest a full-thickness extent of the lesion. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like it.